the totally real Morgan Freeman, have something very important to show you. It's one of the things they won't let me air on one of my amazing nature documentaries. Check them all out. It's not one that I'm the most proud of. It's like early Tom and Jerry stuff. But, I hope you like it. Peace out. As you can see, my cameraman decided to approach these two individuals at the wrong time. They seem to be having a tussle over the last Cheeto. I've seen this happen many times. Many times. Well, we're back again. Oh my, they seem to be getting a bit more intimate. Hey, play some of that right music. No, that's the wrong music. There we go. Okay, I should probably stop now. I'm done from reminiscing now. I'm busy watching these two. This reminds me of my fight with Satan. It was far more graceful. We were both in Lamborghinis, shooting stuff at each other. Mainly, like mustard, that really fancy kind. I forgot the name of it. Henry, do you know the name? Henry doesn't know the name. Whatever. They seem to be hiding. Henry, look at them one. No, there we go. Whoa, that one just did a ninja move. Can we get a playback on that? Whoa, that was like insane. And now they both look off.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, they tackle each other. I know I'm a god and I'm not supposed to be. Oh my god! These guys are getting into MMA territory. Whoa! This is like McGregor and that other guy that I forgot the name of. Oh, snap. Whoa, another more ninja moves! We're gonna have to, like, enroll these squirrels in ninja school. That would be, like, so cool. I'm sorry. Whoa! That was another one! And now this one is waiting for the perfect time to strike. But I believe he shall be fooled. It's like Spy versus Spy. Remember that Mad comic? But, like, way better. As it comes up, it gets attacked! Oh my god. This is more intense than that scene in Interstellar when, like, they're all crying. Wait, that's every scene in Interstellar. I need a better example. That scene in the Orville. There we go. Just, any scene from the Orville. Well, I hope you like that, now that you know even I make mistakes. I hope to see you in the comments and for you to subscribe to see more of my mishaps. So that could be cool. Now, I have more important stuff to do. Hey, Henry, what animal do I have to create today?